In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can pick the right size on SHEIN. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So to pick the right size on SHEIN, the first thing that you want to do is just open up the SHEIN application. So I'll just search for it and open it up. And then what you need to do is make sure that you're logged into your account. And then you can see there it says me at the bottom right. Tap onto me, and then you'll see your profile name at the top right. Tap on your profile name, and right now you'll see here size information. Okay, then you see there it says add myself. So tap on to add myself, and then what you need to do is go ahead and fill in all this information. So you can do male 25 to 34, you go triangle, and then what you can do is go to optional, and you can fill in your height, your weight, your bust, your waist, your hips. If you don't have this information, then what you can do is just simply close that, then click on this submit button right there, and then save those changes. Okay, so that has now been saved. Now we can go back, and then we can go shopping. And then for an example, I'll search here, and I'll search for black t-shirt, and then you can see black t-shirt for men. I'll just search for that, and then what you will do is just tap onto any item, and then what you want to do is scroll down, and what you can see here, there it says check my size. Tap on check my size, and then you'll get recommendations based off the information you just submitted. So to get the best results, you want to add all this information like your height, your weight, your bust, and so on, and then you can add that missing info, and then it'll give you the recommended size. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.